Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Ashra, and today I want to discuss about another epidemic that's rising in India. Apparently the whole country is under a new state of emergency because of the new disease that killed 900 people. And at the same time, so many people who got this disease, they need to go under surgery to remove the part that is already infected to survive. So this new disease caused by a fungus, and they call it black fungus, some they call it Black Death even. So if you want to know more about this matter, please don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me through this video. So basically this fungus called mucormycosis, and it's everywhere. It's on the plants that you buy to eat, it's inside the house, especially those areas that cannot get the sunlight. You be sure that this fungus can be fine. But this fungus only cause infection to those people who have an immune system problem and a weak immune system. And in most of the cases, it appeared on the skin, especially for those people who get burned. And those burned patients sometimes experiencing this black fungus growing on their skin, which is treatable, but it's very difficult. And the reason that it's very difficult to treat this fungus is because in general, the cells of the fungus is very close to the human, and for that matter, it's very difficult to produce some kind of medicine that it only trigger those cells For this matter, it make it very difficult to control this disease. And in the case of the epidemic that started in India and so many people have got this disease, is because for curing the coronavirus, in so many cases, they need to use a steroid and they need to use the immunosuppressive drugs. And unfortunately, using these medicines is not very simple. And in case of the pandemic, maybe in some cases they use too much of it. Therefore, the immune system of the people get too suppressed, and that's the time that opportunist infections such as fungus and bacteria can grow and rise. And unfortunately, this fungus is one of the deadly ones, because once it starts to grow, it can go to the bone, it can go to the eye, and when it starts to rise and grow there, it's very difficult to treat. Basically, it's untreatable. They only have to do the surgery and amputate and take out that part, and that's the only way to save the patient. There are so many factors that involve in this problem, such as poor control of the health system on the diabetes people, at the same time, as I said, using too much steroid. So this fungus can find everywhere, therefore it's very difficult to prevent these people to get and catch this disease. But there are some herbal medicine that maybe can have a little bit of effect. So in case that you are in the situation that you have been treated with a high dosage of the cortisone and immunosuppressive drugs, maybe you should think and read about this medicine. I only introduce them to you, but you need to do the research yourself. I'm not prescribing anything for you. One is turmeric. You should take turmeric. You should take good amount of turmeric. The amount you need to decide for yourself and do it by reading. At the same time, basil extract and the grapefruit seed extract are those well-known and proved herbs extract that can be taken orally. At the same time, you can add it to the food, and it can have an antifungal activity. So please read about them and get some information. Maybe it can help you in some cases. So if you have any question, please ask me in the comment below. I will leave the link to all of this information in the description. So if this video was interesting, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't miss my next video. Till next time.